Master the markets from your pocket with our comprehensive guide to the TradingView Android app. First, let's get you set up. Upon opening the app, you'll be greeted by your watch list, where you can easily track your favorite financial instruments. Tap the plus icon to add new symbols, search for stocks, forex pairs, cryptocurrencies, and more. Then simply tap on the symbol to add it to your list. Customize your experience by navigating to the settings menu here. You can adjust various preferences, from theme and chart settings to notification alerts, ensuring you stay informed about critical market movements. Now, let's dive into the heart of the app. Chart analysis. Tap on any instrument from your watch list. To access its interactive chart, you can pinch to zoom, swipe to scroll through historical data, and customize the chart type from candlesticks to bars to suit your trading style. Enhance your insights by adding technical indicators. Tap the indicators icon on the chart toolbar to explore a vast library of popular indicators like moving averages, RSI, and MACD. Select and add them to your chart to identify potential trading opportunities. For deeper analysis, TradingView offers a robust suite of drawing tools. Access them from the toolbar to mark trend lines, support and resistance levels, Fibonacci retracements, and more. These visual aids are crucial for understanding market sentiment and predicting future price action. Ready to trade? Tap the Trade tab, typically found at the bottom of the chart view here. You can select your preferred broker, connect your account, and place buy or sell orders directly. Input your order type, desired quantity and price, then review and confirm. Monitor your open positions and pending orders in real time. The order panel provides a clear overview of your trades, including profit and loss, allowing you to make informed decisions on the go and manage your risk effectively. With TradingView on Android, you gain the power to analyze charts, execute trades, and stay connected to global markets. All from the palm of your hand. Start trading smarter anywhere.